let's go over cloud settings. On top of the competitors page, you can view the cloud settings to run the crawler on idIA Tech's cloud servers. To do so, you need a cloud account. This costs money, though not that much. Suppose you decide to do a complete analysis, which we'll say takes 10 hours to complete. You run this analysis once every week, so 4 times in a month. Running the scripts on idIA Tech's cloud server costs 10 cents per hour, so that's €4 per month. Once you have a cloud account, put your Cloud ID account here. Click Update your code, and you will be able to use the cloud. There are 2 ways to launch the crawling. The first is with this button down here to launch in the cloud, with the option to make it a partial crawl. Refreshing this, we will see the crawling in progress. When selected, options will appear. A report can be downloaded for information on the logs. They will appear in a zip file which can be opened and see this is the log. These buttons down here provide extra information in the logs when clicked. This is to check on the progression. This is to exclude some links if you notice that there are unwanted links that the bot is visiting. This is to display the links, which it does by default. This is to prematurely finish the crawl, which is what I'll do. Now that the crawling is not running anymore, we can see that it no longer says that it's running, and the additional options are gone. These crawlers can also be managed from the Grimport IDE. Matching the Cloud ID on the Grimport IDE with the one here allows us to manage the cloud scripts on the IDE and on here. I can schedule a complete analysis to happen at regular intervals. Here, we can put a list of numbers from 1 to 12. So this means that it will run in January, March, and April. If I want it to happen every month, we type in this asterisk. Same for the rest. Week goes from 1 to 7. Day of month goes from 1 to 31, and so on. For example, this indicates that this will be run every month on Mondays at 10:30 p.m. Once that's done, click this button to confirm the scheduling. If you don't want this to be activated, you can tick the checkbox here or click the delete button. Same thing for partial analysis. We can schedule it to happen every month, every day, at 6 a.m. and 3 p.m. Partial analysis means that the crawler will not go through all the pages, only the products that have been associated with yours.